Comes the music.
Boom, 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 boom. I'll shoot you right down. Boom, 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 boom. Ow, 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 ow. Boom, 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 boom. I'll shoot you right down. Boom, 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 boom. Ow, 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 ow.
Okay, so you guys just saw an example of that. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you now in the gameplay. So now I'm gonna do it one time. I'm doing this in Adventure 2. A warning, it only works with the house. It only works with the house map. And if you play Adventure 1, you cannot they choose stuff for you, so you're not really like able to do it and stuff. Like here they choose it for you, but they choose. Okay, basically in Adventure 1, in all the day levels, they choose the stuff for you. That's what happened to me. It might be different for you guys, I'm not sure. So you're gonna need pea shooters, flowers. If you played Adventure 1, you'd notice that there isn't any squash and there will be no garlic, so that means you cannot do it yet. I'm sorry. That's how it works in this game. Okay, so first things first, you put a plant here. Now, you're asking, does this really work? It does. What you're gonna do here is put a garlic right over there, if you don't see it. And you're gonna see what it does if it goes in the middle lane. So for now, I'm gonna wait until that happens. Put this guy here so I could get more time could be so I could buy more time. Because some of you guys might not get enough sun, and that problem is gonna go bye-bye. Yep. As you see, I can place all my sunflower plants right there. So basically what the garlic does is it puts the zombies into the other lane. And here's the twist. Oh, okay. So it doesn't work like that. I was just trying something out. Okay, as you see, we have all these plants. Look, I'm zoomed in. And as you see, it will go to another lane. So that means that it will not be going to the lane that your sunflower plants will be in. That's the whole point, guys. So some of you guys probably know that it's very hard sometimes to keep the zombies out of your house. There's a lot more, but they have to get past the sunflowers first. You know, I don't know why I just got it. Okay. Alright. So yeah, you guys can see it. And then I want to show you another trick. An example. trick is kind of hard to know. So I just wanted to, you know, do like a gameplay. You know, like actually like in action and stuff. As you see, they always get drawn away to the other lane. Look how much sunflower I have. Look how am I? Oh, it's gonna reach 1,000. As you can see, I almost have like, I have so much sun. You know what I could do? I could take these out, put it right here, and boom. Even more sunflower plants, but you still get the same amount of pea shooters. I think that's really fair. Okay, so I'm just placing them out right now. Guys, look. Even more sunflowers. We didn't need the walnut. You know, I could have done something cool, but you need to play roof. Guys, the cooler plants are saved for last. I know. But in all games, the best for last. I mean, you cannot blame me because I am telling the truth. So as you see, I still have the same amount of pea shooters, but I have even more sunflower plants. As you see, I'm getting sun from them like crazy. So that pretty much solves your problem.